Hello dear students, to get more score in IELTS exam, you need to show that you can answer in length. To answer in length, you can use the REE method. So what does that mean? R means respond. So you need to respond with very simple yes, no, not yet. Okay, so you can start your answer by the respond. Okay, so the next E means elaborate. So add something more to expand your idea. Okay, and the last E means example. You can actually give some relevant to the point example for your elaboration. So this is the REE method. Stay tuned with Arif Academy to get more tips like this.